So this is Shyam Chetwani once again, and we just now completed a wonderful financial consultation with Mr. Ravin Goswami, and he is from Greater Noida and working with one of the MNC with a very good position. So, Mr. Naveen, it was wonderful talking to you, especially as far as the financial discussion. We have almost more than 2 hours of discussion now. So, I just wanted to know your feedback. Like before coming to the session, how was your mindset? How was your approach towards your investment? And now, when we are about to complete the consultation, now what's your mindset right now? So, over to you, Mr. Naveen. Yeah.
Thank you, Shyam. So it has been wonderful 2 hours spending with you. The session has been wonderful, and I must say, there are several things which I was not aware of, and I never thought, I never thought in that direction. Like कि आने वाले time में how much money you are going to need for your retirement, for your baby, the marriage, the education, everything, and for them you need to plan early, right? So, and I realized that I'm little late in the race, but it's not too late for me. So I'm on this with you, and I will definitely, going to take quick actions like term plans and then fixed income plans. I have to do it on a very quicker note. And when I came here, I was, I was sure because it was a recommendation by Vivek Mishrani, so I knew that this is going to be a wonderful session, and I all my needs will be fulfilled here, and that is exactly what happened. And I would encourage other people also. If you don't have a process in place for your financial needs, right? So you should definitely give it a try with Shyam. He's a wonderful person. He's very knowledgeable, and you must be very satisfied like I am after the session. Thank you.
Great, great. Thank you, Davin, for the kind words. The one quick thing, like what really liked you a lot about what one thing really changed your mindset, like which you really admire and which you really feel that yeah, this is something I was looking for. Any one
Uh,
thing?
so in one thing, I would say the overall pyramid approach and all these steps around it, right? So that was the core, and with that, mathematical calculation, that really blew me because I had different numbers in my mind, honestly.
Great, great. So thank you very much for the wonderful words once again. So it was nice talking to you again. Even you was very much interested in the financial part. So even I enjoyed talking to you personally. So we'll definitely get in touch once again. I think we already discussed the things, next course of actions, and we will take those actions. And I wish you to reach that particular level of financial freedom very soon in your life by next 8 to 10 years, as we planned. And
Yes, yes.
all the best, very all the best to you and your family.
Thank you, Shyam. Thank you very much. Have a good rest of the day. Bye bye.